Hey guys, so this is our third pallet from Rome. We're gonna do an unboxing, and we also got a special package. So we're gonna do a combo unboxing. I believe this is the Joker canvas litho. So let's see what's in here. I believe it's just the back in black portfolios. So this is the third batch. So after that, we're gonna open this up. Excuse the mess. We got a huge shipment of supplies like tubes and stuff. The shipping, okay? So let's do the unboxing. Let's see what it is. So the reason we ordered so many of the back in black portfolios are because it is such a good value. Like I said before, you get 14 lithos. You get 14 lithos, and they're all signed, and we only sell it for $135. It comes with a certificate of authenticity. So I want to keep it here so we could offer this great value to our customers. Okay, so let me see what's in here. The first box is all back in black. Let me show you the second box. Okay, that's also back in black. Yeah, I believe these just have the back in blacks. All the remarked lithos were revealed in the first two unboxings. Now, these are extremely heavy, and just the shipping cost on these three pallets costs more than $2,000, guys. Just the shipping charge. So but because we buy such large quantities, we could offset the cost and bring the savings to you guys. And like I said, individually, all 14 lithos are signed. You get a signed certificate of authenticity. Okay, this is also okay. So just like I said, they're all completely back in black portfolios. So our order totaled 150 units. Okay. And they sell so fast. We just can't keep it in stock. And like I said, guys, these make a perfect gift, especially a Father's Day gift. So if you order now, you can still get it in time for Father's Day. Now for the second box, and these have some original art, and they also have these are the exclusive Joker canvas lithos, and they were exclusive to our store. Okay. Yeah, excuse the mess, guys. We have a lot of packages coming in, going out. All right, let's take a look. Okay, wow. Wow, that's a sign. Look at that. Remarked. Beautiful, look at that. Now that's a remark. Beautiful. Okay, let's do that. Okay, now let's take a look. Okay. Wow, look at that. Look at the colors. Look at the colors pop. Look at the size of that. This is the Joker. And each one's individually numbered. So this one is number 10 out of 100. This one is signed in, I believe, it's like in a silver or light blue. But let me see. I know most of them he signed it in white. Let me see. Okay, these are all. Okay, so look at the size. Look at the quality. Look at the eye-popping colors. Can you imagine this hanging on your wall, guys? Now this is approximately 23 by 16, I believe, and individually numbered. If you get a close-up of that, that's individually numbered and used with permission, guys. It's a licensed product. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is, okay, that's two. Let's take a look at the other ones. Okay, I believe. And like I said, guys, these are Bulletproof exclusive. We're the only one allowed to carry these. Okay, so these are also, these are number 21. So let me see. I know he signed some of them in white. Let me see. Okay, so let's take a look. This is number 11. Okay. Okay, so I guess they're all so far signed in like a metallic blue. All right, let me keep going down the line. Okay. Look at the detail. Look at the quality. So these can be framed two ways. Traditionally, for a canvas litho, you could stretch it out like a painting and frame it, or you could just mat it and put it on the glass. So it's your option, it's your choice. Okay, each one's numbered. If you notice, see the numbering. Each one is individually numbered, guys. Okay. Extremely well packed. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, this is the 70s. Keep going down the line. Oh wow, look. He actually remarked one for me. I guess he felt kind of bad because I sold one. I sold one at the auction, and I think he felt bad that I sold it. It was a gift. So he made me another one. And this one is numbered 1 out of 100. So there you go. Okay. There should be original art in here, but I don't see it. Okay, that's it, folks. I guess, you know what? Some of the pictures had white signatures, but I guess maybe it was the trick of the camera. All right, so let me show you one. All right, guys, perfect for Father's Day. Get them all the hot guys. These are Bulletproof exclusive. And thanks for watching. I'll put these on YouTube.